AI in workflow automation. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for AI in workflow automation, beginner level. AI in workflow automation means using artificial intelligence to automate tasks, processes, and business workflows with minimal human effort. A workflow is a series of steps required to complete a task, such as processing orders, approving requests, sending emails, managing customer support, handling data entry. AI helps make these workflows faster, smarter, and more efficient. Examples include automatically replying to customer emails, processing invoices using AI, automating hiring processes, chatbots handling support tickets, smart approval systems. This topic helps beginners understand how AI can automate real-world business processes. It also introduces key concepts such as automation, decision-making, data processing, machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, process optimization. What is AI in workflow automation? AI in workflow automation is the use of intelligent systems to automate and optimize workflows. In simple words, AI in workflow automation, using AI to do repetitive tasks automatically and intelligently. A beginner view includes task automation, decision automation, data processing, workflow optimization, event-based actions, intelligent routing. Why AI in workflow automation is important. Manual workflows can be time-consuming, error-prone, expensive, slow. AI helps by check. Reducing manual work. Check. Increasing speed. Check. Improving accuracy. Check. Enabling 24/7 operations. Check. Scaling processes easily. Because of this, AI is widely used in modern businesses. Basic areas of AI in workflow automation. Area purpose. Task automation. Automate repetitive tasks. Decision systems. Make rule-based or intelligent decisions. Document processing. Extract data from files. Communication bots. Handle emails and chat. Process optimization. Improve workflow efficiency. Event triggers. Automate actions. Based on events. Example of workflow data. Workflow data equals task, approve leave, employee level, manager, days requested, 5. This data helps AI decide workflow actions. Example of AI decision in workflow. Days requested equals 5. If days requested, 7, print, auto approve leave. Else, print, send to HR for approval. Simple AI workflow example, Python. Task equals email response. If task equals email response, print, send automated reply. How AI in workflow automation works. Step 1. Input data or event. Workflows start with an event. New order, customer message, form submission event equals new order. Step 2. Analyze the data. AI processes the input. Order amount equals 120. If order amount is 100, print high-value order. Step 3. Make decisions. AI determines next steps. If order amount $100, print apply priority processing. Step 4. Execute actions. AI performs actions automatically. Send emails. Update database. Trigger another system. AI in email automation. AI can handle emails automatically. Email type equals support. If email type equals support, print, send auto reply. AI in document processing. AI extracts data from documents. Invoice amount equals 500. If invoice amount equals 300, print, flag for review. AI in approval systems. AI automates approvals. Amount equals 200. If amount is less than 500, print, auto approved. Else, print, manager approval needed. AI in task routing. AI assigns tasks to the right person. Issue type equals technical. If issue type equals technical, print assign to tech team. AI in customer support automation. AI chatbots handle customer queries. Query equals refund. If query equals refund, print provide refund instructions. Full menu-based workflow automation example. Def process order. Amount equals int input. Enter order amount. If amount is 100, print priority order processing. Else, print standard processing. Def approve request. Days equals int, enter leave days. If days equals 7, print leave approved. Else, print manager approval needed. Def handle email. Email equals input. Enter email type. If email equals support, print sending auto reply. Else, print forwarding to team. While true, print 1 process order. Print 2 approve request. Print 3 handle email. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, process order. Elif choice equals 2, approve request. Elif choice equals 3, handle email. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from AI in workflow automation. Check automation fundamentals. Event-driven systems, decision-making logic, process optimization, real-world AI applications, task orchestration, real-life analogy. AI in workflow automation is like a smart assistant managing office tasks. It can receive requests, understand what to do, decide the next step, complete tasks automatically. Ways to improve a workflow automation project. Use real APIs, email, CRM, ERP. Add machine learning for predictions. Build chatbot interfaces. Use workflow tools, Airflow, Zapier. Add real-time notifications. Integrate databases. Use NLP for text understanding. Build dashboards for monitoring. Common mistakes beginners make. Not automating without understanding the workflow. Ignoring edge cases. Hard-coding logic without flexibility. Not handling failures. Overcomplicating simple workflows. Where AI in workflow automation is used. Businesses, customer support systems, HR systems, finance departments, healthcare systems, e-commerce platforms, IT operations, marketing automation. Large systems may include intelligent bots, automated pipelines, smart approvals, data processing systems, integration platforms. Simple definition. AI in workflow automation. The use of artificial intelligence to automate and optimize business processes and tasks. Final summary. AI in workflow automation helps organizations run processes automatically and intelligently. It enables check. Faster operations, reduced manual work, better accuracy, scalable systems, improved productivity. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI powers modern automated systems and businesses.